nothing can be compared with Durga Puja of West Bengal, and it is very much famous and also got a tag from UNESCO. This has become famous worldwide, and the visitors not only from Bengal, from other states, but also internationally visitors come to these places of Bengal and visit various puja pandal. Now, this has only, apart from being a festival, it has also become a competition for the organizer, because Durga Puja pandal has their own theme, and everyone tries to make it best in order to get the awards from the different organizations. So as far as this puja pandal is concerned, which is in Khidirpur, Pachispalli, this has come with the theme called Sohili. Sohili means it's nothing to do with the friendship, what we understand, but obviously it has shown the traditional form of Valli art, which is quite famous in Maharashtra. Through this puja pandal, they have used the bamboos, they have used mud to portray the art, to portray the life of the tribals through this art form. You can see the cultivation has been shown, the farming has been shown, and also the dancing has been portrayed. You can see how the tribals are dancing, celebrating, whether in any festival, whether it's marriage. On the other hand, you can see there's a big god behind Ma Durga, which is basically used as a symbol for the farming, and they are seeking the blessing, the farmers are seeking blessings for the Ma Durga for the good cultivations. Now this is the whole scenario of the Durga Puja Pandal which has come up. In a short, it has shows a very good traditional art, that is Valli art, which is quite famous in Maharashtra. And the message which is very much clear is that we, somewhere or the other, we are forgetting the traditional form of art. And through this puja pandal, the organizer want to portray that yes, even the art form still persists, and even through art form we can portray many things, whatever we want to show.